My name is Nova, and this is the Diamond Floor Dive. I'm going to start with my right arm in twisted grip. So I bring it up into the air, I twist my palm away from my body, and I grab the pole on the left. My left arm grabs the pole behind me with my pointer finger down to support my wrist. And I'm going to bring my legs forward and down into a seated chair position. From here, my right knee comes down to the ground, my left arm comes to the ground. I point my left leg, I kick my leg up in the air, and I bring my chest down, roll the body down. I press back and come back into a seated position. My right arm comes into twisted grip, left arm grabs the pole behind us with a pointer finger down. I bring my legs forward and down into a seated position. Right knee comes down to the ground, left leg straightens. I bring my arms down and chest roll down, press back.